Imagine having access to a world of entertainment at your fingertips without cable restrictions or satellite dishes. Welcome to the universe of IPTV, where Internet Protocol Television redefines how we experience media content today. IPTV works by sending television content through broadband internet connections instead of traditional satellite TV formats. Now, what makes IPTV truly special? It's the ability to start and stop programs and access on-demand content anytime. With IPTV, you can access a wide range of channels beyond just what your cable service offers locally. The interactive nature of IPTV means you can pause live TV, rewind, and even record for later viewing delight. Let's talk equipment needed typically: a stable internet connection and a device like a smart TV or IPTV box. Once set up, look for reputable providers like 2TV.store, offering top-tier channels and picture-perfect quality. IPTV also supports multiple device uses, meaning you can stream on your phone, tablet, or computer seamlessly. Streaming content over the internet allows for a more personalized viewing experience, tailored to individual preferences. Consider the flexibility. IPTV can fit into your lifestyle effortlessly, offering entertainment anytime and anywhere. Now, let's delve into the technical advantage of IPTV over traditional systems. It offers seamless and high-definition streaming. What about affordability? IPTV providers often come at a fraction of the cost compared to cable subscriptions. Security and privacy concerns are managed effectively by top providers, ensuring a smooth, protected experience. An eco-friendly solution, IPTV reduces the need for physical infrastructure found in traditional broadcasting systems. Ready to explore IPTV further? Visit 2TV.store and revolutionize your viewing experience today with unbeatable streaming options.